Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to use OBS to record a video, how to use a video editor to edit the video, and how to convert video to image, or you can see to take still shots from a video. This video is requested by a few of my personal friends. I regard myself as a sufficient beginner in this area, so I'm obligated to help the beginner friends. If you are already advanced in these topics, please feel free to move around freely. Record videos using OBS. First, you have to download OBS to your computer at obsproject.com. The good thing about this program is not only it's free, it has programs for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So download that following the installation prompts to your computer. I already downloaded it. Actually, I'm using it to record this video. So once you download that, you can double click and open it. Actually, I have no idea what happens if I recording OBS using OBS. Okay, let's see what happens. I just close this window. I don't know what that. I'm sure when you first open OBS, it looks different than what I have here because I already have been using it, so I set things up like that. You should have a black box around where I have a picture. There are two things to do before you start to use it. Click on Tools on the top bar there. Click on Auto Configuration Wizard. You can choose to optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, or you can choose optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. I will only be using the virtual camera. So theoretically, I should choose the second one. And base canvas resolution, that's how big the box is. I just use current. Frame per second, there are several options to choose from. I can use, I guess that determines how smooth or choppy your video is. I can choose use current apply settings. And the next thing you can do is click on File and click on Settings. And Output. Because if you don't do this step, automatically the video will be in a format that other video editing softwares doesn't open it. You have to convert it in OBS. So you can set it up to automatically convert it to MP4 every time after you're done recording it. The shortcoming of that is the video is converted to MP4 only after the recording is done, only after you click the stop recording button. So that means if your computer crashes in the middle of recording, you lose everything. But if you don't set up this, they use the automatic file format, your video are still there before the computer crashes, but it's in a different format. You can still work on it. So it's up to you. I just automatically set to MP4. And also you can set up where the video is stored on your computer. I just stored it on my desktop. You definitely can change that. Click on Browse and change that. That's the second thing you can do before you start using it. Now those two things are done. And beside the black box in the middle, on the bottom left, you should have a box. It says scenes. I already have 3 scenes set up. You shouldn't have any. So you can click on the plus to add a scene, or you can click on the minus to delete the scene that's currently selected. So let's click on plus to set a scene. You can name it. I named my first one computer camera. Very creative, huh? Second one, screen recording. Third one, picture plus audio. The first one mainly is a video recording. That's the beginning part of this presentation. I have a background picture, mainly me was there, and it records every speaking, every action I do in front of the camera. And the second one, I named it screen recording. It records everything that's displayed on the computer. So that's what I'm currently in. And the third one, I named it picture plus audio. That is for use. I just put a picture there. I add an audio file. There are many videos that are made that way. You don't see the person, you don't hear the real person's voice. It's a computer voice because it's text converted to audio file. They just put a picture there to match whatever the audio contact. There are many videos like that. If you are a very private person, you don't want to ever show your face to strangers, you can use that one. So if you name your thing, you can click on OK. Okay, so because it's a new thing, right now you don't have anything in there. That's good. So now you have only a black box, so I can show you. What do you want to show up in this thing? That's in the sources. You can click add. Of course, if you are going to make a video, you probably need to add an audio input capture. You can just name it, or I'm going to use just that. And the device, they use default. You can choose your microphone because I'm talking to my microphone, so I actually choose this one. Because you are making a video, of course, you want to hear what's in there, so you need to add at least audio output capture. And again, you just click on OK, and then you either use default or you use whichever you want to use there. Let me do that. Just use the default first and to see if that works. If it doesn't work, you probably try another option. And right now you have audio, so you can add other source, like you can add an image, or you can add display capture. That means everything that's displayed on the computer screen will be recorded. Okay, and then if you choose that, it will show you what is recorded. Okay, so let's do that. Now the display capture is selected. You can see it's way beyond the black box, so you are going to record only a corner of that. So you have to resize it. Just drag on the corner of it to resize your display capture. It's still too... Okay, now it's recording everything on my screen. Can I do that? No. I have to make sure everything is inside the box. So I don't know how to fit it exactly, cover the whole black box, but at least I know how to center it. You can also click on Ultra click and cut it, so you only recording the right half of your screen. So that's the basic of that. You can also add game capture. That's a lot of people who are playing video games and showing video games on YouTube. Young kids look at that channels like that a lot. And you can also add video capture. Okay, so device, you are using the computer camera, front camera, and then click on OK. It didn't show up. I guess if you are recording OBS, using OBS somehow, I don't know, it's not working. Yeah, I guess I can't add too many video captures because the camera is still in use. I have no idea. For the each display capture or video capture, there are filters or property. Let's at least look at filters. Yeah, for video capture, you can add filters. You can add audio filter. Usually I choose the noise suppression filter, and also I use chroma key because I have a green screen in my back. That way I'm transparent. In that way it shows my background is a picture and I'm transparent. It looks like I'm sitting in a room. Actually that's not my living room. My living room is much worse than that. You can use any chroma key color, but green is the most commonly used because usually people don't have a green tone in their skin. But you can't wear green clothes. If you wear green clothes, your body will disappear. You can only see yourself, the areas that's not covered by green clothes. So that's basically the setting up. As long as you set up the audio output, audio input, and either a video capture or display capture, that's usually what you use. And you click on start recording. And after you're done talking, you can just click on this. Will show as an option for stop recording. You can just click on the same place to stop the recording. When you stop recording, when you are done recording, you can click on File, Show Recordings. That will show your last recordings here, and then you can double click on it, open it, listen to it, watch it, see how it went. So that's about it, how to use OBS to record videos. That's basically how you use OBS to record a video. I have a go-to guy on YouTube. His name is Kevin Stravert. He used to be a Microsoft guy. He made $160,000 a year. And when he started to make more by making YouTube instructions than he made at work, he quitted the job. His full-time job now is making YouTube instructions on how to use computer applications. So he's my go-to guy. I will put the link to his video in the description of this video below. I have at least watched 2 times or 3 times of his video on how to use OBS. So please watch that as many times as you want instead of this simple instruction. Again, I'm the beginner. Maybe it's a start point for you, but make sure keep learning. There are many experts you can learn from them, how to explore more functions of OBS. It's definitely very useful, very powerful. So next, I will show you how to edit a video using video editor. But before I do that, I want to say that I found out the part about how to use OBS to record a video. There was some kind of lagging problem. The displaying is lagging behind my audio. I was talking about something I was doing, but the displaying is not what I was talking about. So I don't know how helpful that will be to you. As long as you are aware, follow my speech to practice how to use it. The best way of learning probably is just download it and click here, click there, just doing it, I guess. Okay, so now let's see how to edit a video in video editor. Type video editor in the search box beside the Windows sign and click on it to open it. New project. Give it a name. So now it says your project library is empty. You can click on add. You can resize the window. Drag the file to your video editor. And now I have two files in my project library. I drag the first one down to the storyboard here, and I can click on it and play it. I can move the video to the first because that's what I want. Okay, so now I can click on it and play it. Start with the beginning part. I do not want it, so I can back it up a little bit. And I just paused my video. That's the first action. After you pause it, you can back up a little bit because I want the start. I want the video to start from start. And after you pause it, the second is split it. And this shows you where you are going to split it. You can play here to see if that's the right split. With 10 foundation chains. No, that's not, because that's so I can move it further. I can split from there. Start with. Okay. Start with 10. Start with 10. Okay. It seems 510 is a good spot to this is hard. Okay, I'm going to split there. Okay, now I do not want the first part. I just want to make sure the second clip contains what I want. Start with 10 foundation chains. That's perfect. That's perfect. So I can delete the first part. So that's one of the edit you do is when you click on play at a place you want to cut off, you just start with 10 pause and then you click on split and then you precisely set where you want to split. Click on down. Once it's split, you can delete the part that you don't want. Just select it and click the delete button on your keyboard. That's all. That's the most common edit I do. And let's keep playing this one. Foundation chains and 3 turning chains. Double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. Okay, so I just paused the video because I want to split here again. So I just paused it, split, and done. This time I do not want to delete the first part. I just want to do something. I want to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so I paused the video again and I split it again. Okay, this is what I want to do to this clip. Watch this clip. Okay, so this clip, I want to speed it up a little bit because I want to make this video shorter. The shorter, the better. Usually that's the rule. So I select the clip and click on speed. And I can probably speed up to 2 times faster. Let's see what 2 times faster does to it. So now it becomes 2.9 seconds. Let's play on it, see what it looks like. I think it's okay, but a little bit too fast. Maybe I can set that to 1.5, see what that. Another thing I want to show you is you can delete this any clip anytime because I don't want it to edit it here. I can delete it. This is accidentally uploaded. If you want to remove a video or a photo from the project library, you can click it and trash it too, so it will be gone. And the other thing you can do in here is you can add a title card. Of course, a title card, you can put it anywhere. You can move it around in the beginning. Again, I do not want to do that. I can delete that. And then you can also add text to a video clip. Try this is a simple style. And then different styles and different locations. This is the bottom center. You can choose to the middle center like that, like that, like that. And you can click down, it will have a, a text on your video. I don't want that, so I cancel it. I click on OK. First thing you can do is audio. You can add a background music to your video. What the background music means is your whole video will have a music in there. I don't want that because I'm talking in the video. What do you do if you just want to add audio or music to one clip? You just click on the clip and you choose custom audio. You have to have an audio that's exactly the length of your clip. That's hard, but there is a program you can do that. It's called Audacity. You can download Audacity to your computer and edit a certain music or audio to the length of that video clip. Now I'm done editing this video. You can just click on Finish Video, and what quality do you want? You can want high, medium, or low. It's just what quality do you want. I just it's a short video. I just use the recommended high, and export the video to desktop. Click on export. It takes a while for the video to be finished exporting depending on how long your video is. Now it's already done finishing. Actually, you can listen to it. Start with 10 foundation chains and 3 turning chains. Double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. 2 more double crochet in the same chain. Skip 2 chains and 3 double crochet in the next chain. Two granny clusters and keep going. That's exactly what I want for that video, and then we are done editing a video. Next, I'll show you how to convert a video to images, or how to take still shots of videos. That's useful sometimes because you want to have a thumbnail showing what you are doing in the video. To do that, Google free video to JPG converter. Click on the first one. That's exactly what I have, and download it to your computer. I'm going to open mine. Click add files. Choose the file you want to take still shots. Here are how to extract. You can extract every 10 frames, every 1 second, or you can extract a total 50 frames from the video. So it depends on how long your video is. If your video is 50 minutes, you extract 50 frames. That means 1 picture per minute. That's not going to catch probably the best you want. So I only have a video that's less than 1 minute, and I choose to extract total 50 from the video. Usually if you choose 50 from a video, if the video is a few minutes long, it's okay. You will find some good ones. And save to. You want to choose a folder where you want it to save to. Click on convert. That's it. Okay, process is completed. So let's close these things and open the Okay, so these are the 50 photos that was extracted from the video. You can look at through all of them and to see which one you are going to use. I'm going to delete all of them except the first one. So that will be my thumbnail for my video if I'm going to post it on YouTube or anywhere. So that is how to take still shots from your video. It's actually done by software, not by a camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to my channel or give this video a thumb up. And thank you, and see you in next video.